What you felt when I started the channel?
Crazy that LeBron's now playing with his son. Are you gonna make that happen in the football world? Cool
What
stuff
is
like
your
that.
favorite one?
How'd you feel when you hit 1 billion followers across everything?
You think I'm gonna beat you? What you felt when you saw when I started the channel?
Yeah. I knew it was gonna, honestly, I thought you were gonna do like 20, 30 million in the first month. When you did 60, I was like, oh my gosh. Like the most ever gained in a month before you was 20 million. And that was us. And so 60 is like, that was insane.
How long do you take to reach 60 million?
Probably 13 years.
13 años.
Yeah. Yeah, it took me like.
You think I'm gonna beat you? You think honest?
No.
You think honest?
No. It depends what you start doing. If you start having other footballers on here and you start like reacting to your biggest plays, I think that will crush. So if you get in a rhythm, I think you can make some killer content. That isn't like
But
too
this
hard on
record
you.
is for you.
I
I don't want to beat that record, honest.
Well, you have 1 billion followers. I want to have 1 billion subscribers on YouTube. So
Imagine.
Yeah, it'll take a while, but yeah.
Take a while.
Right now we're on 320 million.
Did you see my YouTube channel?
Of course, yeah.
What do you think?
Obviously, you're still a professional football
Yeah.
player and you have a lot going on, so I think you're doing your best. I think your greatest asset is anyone will film with you, so you could have so many cool collabs, kind of like this one. Like, you should have Tom Brady pop in for a video, Speed, you should have like all these big names, you know? And
Good to know.
also, something easy for you would be like, after a big game, if you just hopped on the mic and like did a 5-minute podcast where you talked about it, like that'd be super low lift. But so many people would want to know, what do you think, you know? Or yeah, I mean, his team's back here, so I'm also looking at them like, bro, could you imagine if Ronaldo did a video reacting to his 10 greatest goals? You know how crazy that would be? Like you know that goal where you did the bicycle kicks? I've seen that at least 100 times. I would love to know what what you were thinking when you just decided to bicycle kick the fucking soccer or football, you know what I mean? Like, that would be great. So like, I don't think it has to be like hard stuff. Like I would just do more football related things because that's why we love you, you know? Yeah. How'd you feel when you hit 1 billion followers across everything? Most followed man on the planet here.
It's good achievement, but not surprise me, to be honest. I know the passion that people have for me and for the football as well.
Yeah.
For the career that I still do it, and I felt that passion. So for me, don't surprise, I feel happy, but in the same way, not surprised.
I'm the same way. Whenever I hit a milestone, I'm like, cool. Anyways.
Yes.
Exactly. Everyone's always like, oh, you should celebrate. It's like, why? We gotta keep grinding.
Yes. I feel the same way.
So on YouTube, when people get recommended a video, you know how that image pops up?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's called a thumbnail. I'm known for my thumbnails, but so I'll give you a few tricks. Okay. So usually in the thumbnail, you put your face.
Okay.
Whenever you take the photos of your face, keep your mouth closed. Like I used to do this with an open mouth. People hate it.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, they say it's cringe. So keep your mouth closed and just like get some good high quality images of your face so your team can put them in the thumbnail. Yeah, I got it. All right. So what you'll do, you want to show expression. So you'll just be like, but it's cringe because there's 30 people watching me. All right, next question. No, I'm kidding.
Where do you feel the country that you have more?
The most fans?
Yes.
When we go anywhere in South America, it gets pretty crazy.
South America.
Yeah, one time we were in Chile and like we were in a hotel and like fans literally surrounded the hotel and started knocking on every door. I mean, I'm sure you've had weird stuff like this happen and we had to like leave the hotel. I've been kicked out of hotels because so many fans like sit in the hotel lobby and that mostly happens when we're in South America. In America, people are like a little bit more chill. I don't know why. But when we go international, like they're like a whole different breed. I guess it's because like not many famous people like really, or creators from our world like visit South America a lot. So when they do, it's like a big deal.
Okay. Where do you live?
North Carolina, a tiny town, Greenville.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like, there is good school.
Yeah. Well, I live in my studio, so so we have a big studio where we film videos. I live in the studio and I just never leave. The worst thing, I assume you fly private everywhere. Flying commercial, sometimes is brutal.
It's brutal, right?
Oh yeah, it's like
I don't do it so many years. So
Yeah, I would pay money to see Ronaldo fly commercial and see how like
the
brutal that would be.
reactions. Imagine to put the glasses
Yeah.
and to record
Oh,
the
that would
reaction.
be awesome.
Look, it's good content for the YouTube.
Yeah, bro, could you imagine if he had the Ray-Bans on recording and then went on a commercial flight and like the amount of photos he would have to, I mean, they'd have to shut down
A
the airport.
normal seat.
Yeah.
Imagine. To go, to stay there, to waiting for my...
No, see, he wouldn't do it because he's obviously way more famous than me. And when I sit in a normal seat, you have people running up and down the aisle going, "Can we have a photo, photo, photo?" And like for him, like the entire plane would just turn into a photo booth. It would be, it would be insane.
I'm 39
Okay,
and a few months.
okay, almost 40.
Yeah, almost 40.
About to die. You're getting
And
old. What's it like?
yes, I'm gonna live until 100.
Really?
Just to let you know.
Okay.
And you know, in football, this is longevity career because most of the times they're retired, 33, 34, 36.
Yeah, you're like the
so-
LeBron James of football.
Yes. I'm gonna ask you,
Yeah.
when you think you're gonna retire of this?
Never.
Oh, good.
I'll probably be doing this when I'm 90, 100. I'm like you, I want to live to be over 100. Like, I don't see why with technology advancing, we can't slow down aging. So hopefully
So you're gonna do this forever?
yeah, I mean, if I stopped, what would I do? Watch TV?
No, maybe you have another passion or something that you...
I just enjoy building businesses. So like, you know, running the channel to me is just like building a company. So,
It's good.
yeah.
Good to know that.
He is getting harassed by a fly. Someone just clipped this. Like, I see it. He's not. I see a fly just attacking his eyes. I think it literally landed on one. This is. I buried myself alive for 7 days. So
That you did?
yeah. So this is my coffin, and then they put 20,000 pounds of dirt on me, and I spent a week laying down in a coffin. So I'm under there.
No way.
Cristiano realizing what it means to be a YouTuber.
Yeah, and so people knew it was real. We time-lapsed the whole thing.
But how you feel?
Oh, horrible. I couldn't move for a whole week. There was a fly trapped in the coffin too. So
You didn't move for a week?
yeah, I laid down there. So then if you like skip to the end, this is after 7 days. And this is when they dug me up.
That you've been like...
Laying, yeah. So this is where we had to,
Let's not celebrate.
so that's the medic had to help me up because like they were worried I'd have a blood clot. So a medic had to check me out when I stood up.
But you feel it inside bad or...
I mean, yeah, it was horrible because like there's a coffin, so the floor's wood. So like my back hurt.
Your back, right?
Yeah. So we did 7 days buried alive. I also did 7 days in solitary confinement in a padded room with no interaction, no time.
Brother, you're crazy, eh?
Yeah, that one was brutal. Tyler, what else did we do? I did 7 days on a deserted island, which made me want to die. 7 days stranded on a raft. 7 days. Yeah, 7 days in an underground city, 7 days in an abandoned city. So my fans love to see me suffer, so I just do things that make me miserable, and they find it funny.
Wow.
So
It's crazy.
that's the video she was saying was her favorite.
The
It's-
most hardest one. No, this one.
No. What would you say the hardest is, Tyler? Yeah, solitary.
What is solitary?
Oh, here, I'll show you.
No one spoke to him for 7 days straight, and he didn't know any time.
No phone, nothing.
Nothing. No.
All white.
But where?
There's a white hat.
I'll show you. It's pretty wild.
It's good.
And when did we upload that video, Tyler? Is that an older one?
How you start to do it this? The videos and the channel? How
Yeah.
long?
Oh yeah, I've been doing this since I was 11. So I've been doing it for 15 years now. This is all I've ever done. Yeah, this is the solitary confinement one. So an entire,
Hour 9, when I did this. You're probably wondering, how many tiles are on these walls? The correct answer is 1,900. And if you want the roof and floor included, then it's 2,860. But more importantly than all of that, according to my stomach, it is time to eat food. If you're wondering how I'm eating during
so it's just me in this white padded room. And I have no clue what time it is
because the room is
Oh my God.
and soundproof.
and lights were starting to get
Was it the hardest one?
Oh yeah, this was so hard. Cause like the lights never turned off. So you don't see the sun or anything. So you,
I should probably stop.
and so you just want to feel stimulation. So you start like
Yes,
pinching
yes, yes,
yourself.
yes.
McDonald's here.
And then
As I'm like, what
90 hours in.
Wow.
And that's only halfway. So that one was brutal. But like that video, for example, that got
How many?
189 million views. so 189 or 186, and people just love it. They love watching me suffer. Whenever Jimmy uploads, you know it's a good day. So it's just like, yeah, I mean, it's just funny.
Which video you have more views?
The most viewed one is, so is it Squid Game still? So,
Okay.
yeah, we recreated Squid Game in real life. We got 600 million.
Okay.
I put 100 people in a circle and said whoever left last won $500,000. This is almost on 500 million views. So like this video, 4% of the humans alive have watched. So
Wow.
here, let me just go to the beginning.
I put 100.
So look at that. So
Duquesne? Okay.
So whoever, I said, I don't care how long it takes, whoever leaves this circle last wins that 500 grand in the middle. And it went for weeks.
Okay.
And so people are just like, how long are people just gonna sit in a circle? So that was funny.
Amazing.
Yeah, so it's just like cool
What
stuff
is your
like that.
favorite one that you like the most?
Oh boy, I like them all. I mean, yeah, we did, this video is the one that broke the internet. This is the most viewed video on YouTube in 24 hours. So no video in the history of YouTube has gotten more views than this in 24 hours. So we grabbed all the biggest YouTubers on the planet and we put them in a big cube. Wait, let me find a wide shot. So these are all really, really famous creators. Like your kids would know all of them. And I'm trying to find a good shot. It's just, we built a huge cube, put them in there, and then said whoever left last will give one of your subscribers $1 million.
Okay.
And so like everyone was, it'd be like the equivalent of getting like the 50 biggest football players and putting them in a room and then like having them do something. So like it like broke the internet. That video got 70 million views in 24 hours and people loved it.
Good. Do you like other sports?
I love basketball.
Basketball?
Yeah. Do you watch basketball?
Not much.
Yeah. I just love watching Steph Curry shoot threes from half court. And,
Good.
and it's crazy that LeBron's now playing with his son. Are you gonna make that happen in the football world?
Maybe. I will see. He's 14 now.
Maybe get him to play when he's 17. You do 3 more years, maybe?
Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see how my legs go. Let's see.
Oh, we can. His son's almost here. We could ask him firsthand. Is he gonna
You
play
know,
with the dad?
he knows more things than me
Yeah.
about this world, the YouTube and everything.
Yeah.
He knows everything.
So I heard this is your water brand.
Yes.
What made you want to do it?
Basically, a good product, a good quality of
Yep.
water for me is the most important. Doesn't matter if it's water or supplements, for example.
Yeah.
If it's nice product, I like to be associated.
Makes sense.
Yes, this is what I think. How you deal with the fame?
Oh, how do I deal with it?
Yes.
I mean, right now, probably like you, I just work all the time, so I don't really have much time to.
As you say now, that is your first time here in Saudi. I invite you to come to any game that you choose and your time as well, to come to watch a game
That'd be
in the
fun.
period of Riyadh season, which is the most
Yeah.
iconic one and big events as well.
What's the biggest game? Who's
Is
your
it-
rivals?
Al Hilal is
Al Hilal?
yes.
All right, boys, let me know when they play Al Hilal.
We play now next month, but after we have the second leg. If you want to come, I invite you,
That'd be fun.
and you will love it. Saudi is a
Okay.
lovely country, and
If I come out here though, you got to get a dub.
yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry. So I invite you anytime you want. You are very welcome.
Thank you.